Well, hello everybody. Man, it's been a while. I think it's been like 3 months. We have been sort of locked up. We've been working a lot. Haven't had time to really do anything. So we're gonna make this video. I'm looking into starting something new to do, like as for one of our like adventures, I guess you'd call it. I just got it in the mail today. I got it from Amazon. I've seen this all over the internet, what these folks are doing, and it looks like a lot of fun. And it's somewhere, you can go outside. You're not near a lot of people, and it's something new. I think it's going to be a blast. So let me turn the camera around and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Hold on a second, okay? All right. So this arrived in the mail today. Give you a little bit of clue about what's inside. Magnetized material. Do not ship by air. I wonder why that is. That's very interesting. Let's take a look inside. Okay, well now Katie's gonna take the camera now. Alright, we're gonna open this bad boy up and see what we got inside. Oh, well, let's see. There's a middle somewhere. Are you filming or are you not even looking?
I'm filming.
Okay. I think I found it. Okay, here we go. Serious? Okay, another box. Another box. Who is this from?
It's like the Russian dolls.
Muscular magnets. Oh. Okay. Okay. Here we go. All right. So we got these gloves. I hope they fit. They didn't give me a size. They feel awfully light though. Let's see this.
I feel like they're like gardening gloves.
They do feel like garden gloves. Will they fit? Oh, they stretch.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, they fit perfect. Look. Nice and... Hear that? Okay. I got... Rice cooking in the microwave. No. I have 100 foot of rope.
Wow.
Look at that. 100 foot of rope. And it comes with the little...
Latch.
Little latch.
Hatchet.
Okay. And then I got to find out. Oh yeah, I got this. I don't know what this is for. I'm going to find out though. I have to read the instructions. And then this, what does that say? What's it called? You see that?
I don't know.
What's it say? I don't have my glasses on. I can't read that. So, whatever. This is what, here's the main thing. This is what we're doing. If I can.
Be careful.
Oh my god. Alright. Holy cow. That is heavy. It's a lot heavier than it looked.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's shiny.
This is a magnet, obviously. And then we hook it onto the rope. And then we're going to do magnet fishing.
Yay.
So, I don't know. I mean, that's...
Pretty heavy.
Oh, wow. That is...
Pretty strong.
That's pretty strong.
And especially if you're underwater, it's more pressure.
Is that, like... Do you think that's going to hold 600 pounds?
I don't know. We don't.
Feels like it's going to hold, like, 30 pounds.
We'll see.
Oh, okay. Well... Here. You want to try that? No? Yeah?
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah?
It's like a 10-pound dumbbell.
It's not that... I thought it was going to be bigger, actually. But, okay. We'll see. Alright. So, yeah. Oh. There's a cat on the table.
Hi, Jasper.
Look. Sorry, big boy. Here.
He likes the string.
He doesn't know what to do.
He doesn't know it.
What are you doing, dude?
He doesn't like anything on his back.
No? Oh, he's eating it. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, this is supposed to hold... Hello? Hello? Hello?
Okay, sorry.
This is supposed to hold 625 pounds.
Okay.
Do you think it's going to do that?
If that's what it says, it will do it.
Well, we're going to try it out. We found some places. I don't know if we can do it in Tampa, where you can Well, let's just say there were some Civil War battles in the water. I won't disclose those locations, but we're gonna go probably this weekend. Oh, let's see, stuck, and see if we can find some artifacts. So that's gonna be our new adventure. Hope you stay tuned, and will it catch here? No, he's that metal plate in his head.
No,
Yeah,
he doesn't.
no. Okay. So anyway,
Curiosity.
we're gonna take this. We're gonna go magnet fishing, and
It'll be fun.
yeah, see what we can find.
Yeah.
So join us on our next adventure. We'll be very soon. Hopefully this weekend. We'll have some more content for our new followers. We got a lot of new followers. About 20 new followers. So welcome
Yay.
to our adventures.
Woo!
I'm Danny.
I'm
You
Caitlin.
can't see Caitlin; she doesn't want to be seen. So, wow, look at my face. I swear, in 3 months, I've gained 20 years and 30 pounds sitting in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, she agrees. Anyway,
I didn't
we'll
agree.
see you soon. Stay tuned for our next adventure.
Bye.